Hey everyone, it's Jasmill. Welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna do a quick video on my cryptocurrency update, and I'm also gonna review a little bit the Ledger Nano X. I just bought it and I just transferred most of my cryptocurrency onto this hardware because I wanted to put it in cold storage because that's what I've been doing, putting it in cold storage. But before, I had this one that you're able to put about 100 coins in there and just really keep it safe. I had the Ledger Nano, and it's the model I think before this one, and it only holds like 3 to 4 coins. I currently use BINANCE to buy and trade my coins, and then I transfer them over to my Ledger, and I have to pay a small fee for it, unfortunately, but that's just how the game works. If you're interested in even more crypto stuff, leave your questions down below. I might be able to answer them, or if not, there's so much information on YouTube and just on the web, and you can also buy books in general. So this one that I purchased cost me about $119, and installing it was pretty much the same as my other one. You have to download the Ledger Live app on your computer, and I believe you can download the app on mobile, but I like doing it on my computer, and I'm not interested in doing mobile because I think you can't really trade anything on your phone because the USB doesn't connect to your phone, obviously. Laptop, because it has the USB cord to connect to the laptop. I think the mobile app just shows you your balance. This is what it looks like. It's way bigger than my old Ledger, but there are about 24 words that you have to write down, and that's the recovery phrase. The PIN is 4 letters, that 4 numbers. My brain, sorry. The PIN is 4 numbers that you pick on your own, and I suggest you write it down too. Okay, so you plug this into your laptop, and then you open up your Ledger Live app, and then you put in your PIN, and then it shows you your balance, your portfolio, and I might be able to screen record that and show you guys. And at first it was a little weird trying to transfer out of my old Ledger into this new Ledger. I kind of was having some trouble. I thought I wasn't going to be able to do it because I tried connecting them both at the same time with the 2 USB, like putting the 2 USBs in my computer, but because I couldn't open like 2 Ledger Live apps, I couldn't view both of the ledgers together, if that makes sense. So what I did was I just transferred all of my old storage of coins from my old Ledger into Binance, and then I waited for that to be secure in Binance, and then I took everything from Binance and then I put it into my new Ledger cold storage wallet, which is the one I have right now. And it took about like less than an hour. Again, that's something that I really favor and that I really like about cryptocurrency, is that the transferring takes really like small amount of time compared to regular transfers, like bank transfers. But you do have to pay a small fee, which is annoying, but I guess that's just how the mining and the processing works. I wasn't able to put 2 coins into my new Ledger though. They're not in the Ledger Live app or like the manager account system. You have to like go in and like they have a few hundred, maybe 1,000 of different coins that you can select, and you can download them into the Ledger. And Bitcoin and Ethereum, I think, had a few updates, so I had to update them to like a new account and delete or just empty out my old Bitcoin and Ethereum account, and then I was able to do the transfer because it wasn't connecting. It wasn't like working when I was trying to do the transfer, but then I had to download a new Bitcoin and a new Ethereum. It's just like a new pathway, I guess. Right now the market is on sale, so that's kind of funny, but I'm still in the profit because I invested so early, and I keep buying small amounts. But yeah, so if you want the website is shop.ledger.com. I haven't had any problems. I bought it, and within like 3-4 days it came to my house. So I really like it. I wanted to get like this huge Ledger. It almost looks like an iPad, but it's been sold out for a really long time, and it's about $250. So that's pretty much it. So let me show you guys my balance.
Oh, I'm finally back up to 5,000.
Hey Siri, how do I screen record on my laptop?
Here's what I found.
Shift Command 5. Let's capture, not screen record. Should I just show you guys my whole balance? Even though it's private, but I'm telling you guys anyway, so why can't you guys just see it? So I'm just gonna screen record and I'll think about it later. Okay, so my balance right now is $5,011. So to this year, my investments have grown 450%, which is great. But in late April, it was almost at 1,000%, 800% because, okay, sorry about that. My memory card was full. So where were we? So yes, my investments are still really, really good, really, really high. I'm really happy about that. I have just some extra funds and savings that is growing exponentially, and it's pretty cool to be in the beginning stages of this new journey, of this new phenomenon. I don't know what else to call it, but my Ethereum right now is the highest. If you guys didn't watch my first few cryptocurrency videos, I said after I had about mainly 90% of my investments in Bitcoin, it was about $3,000, $4,000, $5,000. I think $5,000 or $4,000, something like that. I decided to sell half of it. So as you can see, I still have about $2,000 in Bitcoin. And then I wanted to put the other half of that Bitcoin into Ethereum and Bitcoin Cash and Litecoin so I can own the full set of those coins because they were way cheaper. And besides having more of it in Bitcoin, which is so high right now, and to own a Bitcoin, you need $34,000, which is insane. But again, it's a good idea if you guys do have the extra funds like lying around that you don't need. So I was able to put that money to own 1.08 of Ethereum, and right now it has 40% of my investments, and I have $2,417 in Ethereum. So right now Bitcoin is at 33% of my portfolio. I own about 0.04 Bitcoins, and I have about $1,692. Then I have Bitcoin Cash, and Bitcoin Cash has about 10% of my investment. I own about 1 Bitcoin Cash coins, and it's about $507 right now. And then I have 7% in Litecoin, and I have a little bit more Litecoin than the other ones. I have about 2.6 Litecoins, and right now it is about $367, which is great. And then Stellar is a newer, smaller coin that I wanted to invest in. It's only worth 26 cents per coin, and I bought 50 of them. So if it goes up a lot, I'll be able to have, you know, a lot of money in that coin. And I have about $13. And then I have Dogecoin, and it's about 24 cents, and I have 52, and I own about $13. And then I have, so it's Tether and Orchid was the one in Binance that I wasn't able to transfer, and I have like $17 or $20 of those are the 2 coins, and they're really low too. They're one of the smaller coins, and I still want to be able to get to that place where I am a little bit more proficient about what all of these coins mean. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys. Oh, let me get back to the middle. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you're enjoying my series Millennial Glow Up, where we're all talking about personal finances, net worth, just reaching our goals, investments, and just glowing up, adulting, basically adulting.